Hi, grade 9. Today I would like to share with you two type of problem that you can find in any quiz related to the parallel and the perpendicular lines. So the first question is saying write the equation of a line that is parallel to y equal 2 over 5x minus 2 and pass through 10 and negative 3. So the first thing or the key word I can say that is parallel. Very important. Since it's parallel, the new equation or the new line that I need to know, it will have the same slope of this line. Since it's parallel, so I need to focus with the slope. So here the slope is clear, equal 2 over 5 with positive sign. That means the new line, if I'm going to write here, new line, right away for this new line, I have the slope equal 2 over 5. Additional to that the new line, it passed through the point 10 and negative 3. So I have two things. Now, if I have the slope, that means I can use it in the equation y equal mx plus b. However, if I have the slope, unfortunately, I don't have the y-intercept. So how can I find the y-intercept? By using this point, because this point exists on the line, right away I can find b. So here, the very important part, I'm going to say set 10 negative 3 into the equation. As soon as I'm going to use this point on my equation, I can find right away the equation. So I'm going to replace y by negative 3 equal, the m I know it's 2 over 5. We said it's exactly the same as this line because this line has the slope 2 over 5 and they are parallel, so they have the same slope. X plus b. Actually, it's not x. I have to use x from the point, so I don't have to forget this. Instead of x, it will be 10 plus b, and b it's unknown. So now negative 3 equal, I can simplify the 5 with the 10, so it can give me 2. 2 times 2 equal 4 plus b. Now I can isolate b by asking the 4 to go to the other side, so it's going to be negative 3, negative 4, so b equal negative 7. Therefore, as a conclusion, I will have the equation. The equation will be y equal the slope, we said 2 over 5 x, and the b now it's known negative 7. And this is going to be the equation of the line that it's parallel to this line and pass through point 10 negative 3. Let's see another type of problem. Write the equation of the line that is perpendicular to y equal 2 over 5x minus 2 and pass through this point. Now, the key word here for sure is perpendicular. So now, if this line has a slope 2 over 5, the new line that I'm searching for, right away it will have a slope that is the opposite sign of the first one, so negative, and the reciprocal of 2 over 5, so it's going to be 5 over 2, right away. And again, it passed through the point 10 negative 3. So this is another issue. So I have the slope. So if I'm using the y equal mx plus b, I have m, but again, b, it's unknown. So how to find b? Again, I don't have a choice. I have to use this point. So I'm going to say set point 10 negative 3 into the previous equation. And with this way, I can find the value of b. So I'm going to use the 10 negative 3, y equal negative 3 equal m in this case is negative 5 over 2 because it's perpendicular to the original one, and x here is going to be 10, and plus b. Now I can simplify the 2 with the 10, so it will give me 5. 5 times 5 equals 25 plus b. I'm going to ask that negative 25 to go to the other side, so it's going to be negative 3 plus 25 equal b. 25 minus 3, we're going to see that it's going to give me 22. Right away, my conclusion is going to be something like that, that the equation, it will be y equal the slope, which is negative 5 over 2, x plus the b, which is 22. In this equation, it's going to be the equation that it's perpendicular to the original one. Why it's perpendicular? From the slope. It's the reciprocal and the opposite side, and it passes through the point 10, negative 3. I hope you understood how we can find the equation of a new line that it's parallel or perpendicular to any original equation, and it passes through one point. Thank you for listening.